Every living thing on Earth, every tree, every animal, every human being begins with something far smaller than we can see, a single cell. It is a structure so tiny that millions could fit on the tip of a needle, yet it holds the entire blueprint of life. Today, we open a door into that hidden world, a world where the smallest units of life reveal the largest truths about existence. This is not just a journey inside a magical museum. It is a journey inside ourselves, inside the blueprint of every living thing. Welcome to the secret museum of life.
Children, one day, Aarav, Meera, and Kabir were sitting in their school library, struggling with homework. Suddenly, an old, dusty science book began to glow and turned into a magical box. As the box opened, a shimmering guide appeared, Professor Bio. He wasn't just wise, but funny too. With a chuckle, he said, "Come, let's shrink down and explore the secret of life." And in a blink, the children shrank, landing inside a strange and glowing place, the secret museum of life. In the first gallery, they saw glowing cubes forming walls, like bricks building a house. These were cells, the building blocks of life. Just as no house stands without bricks, no living being exists without cells. Then came a magical gift, microscope glasses. The moment they wore them, a single drop of pond water looked like outer space, full of tiny living creatures. An amoeba changed its shape to eat. Paramecium swam with tiny paddles. Bacteria called out, "We help you digest food, but sometimes we cause trouble." And yeast laughed, "I make bread fluffy and curd tasty." The children giggled. So microbes are like tiny neighbors, some helpful, some naughty. Next, they entered a glowing hall filled with stained glass murals. A tree grew from a single seed, a giant elephant began as a cluster of cells, and a human body zoomed from tissues to organs, all whispering the same secret: cells create life. Professor Bio's voice echoed, "Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, organs form systems, and together they make life. Every forest, every elephant, every human smile begins from a single tiny cell." And just then, the museum faded away. The children were back in the library.
So friends, from this video, we discovered that cells are the basic units of life. When cells organize, they form tissues which build organs and organ systems, creating complete living organisms. We also learned how microorganisms, both helpful and harmful, play essential roles in daily life and the functioning of ecosystems. Learning is magic, only on VidyaLoom, because here, stories are woven with the threads of knowledge. Subscribe to VidyaLoom for more magical science stories. See you in the next video. Bye!